Welcome, children. We all know that you are very busy and a little worried about your upcoming half yearly examination. So, this video is a very special one made for you to help you in taking the examination smoothly. Let's explore. Children, all along you have been using the MCQ pattern to take your exam, and during this online examination system, this is the first time when you will be going through a written procedure. So, children, here are some important messages that we want to convey to you. Let's begin. When the examination starts, children, kindly take the notepad which you have and you have used always while writing class assignments during offline classes. And after that, when you take the note sheet, make sure that you draw margin on the right hand side of the page too. Here a margin is actually drawn, but due to some technical problems you cannot see the margin properly. Make sure that you draw a margin on the right hand side of the page too. And then you please cancel class test and write half yearly on top and put a tick mark. After writing this half yearly, you please write the date on which you are taking your examination. And the page number should be written on top of the date. After you finish writing half yearly and the date and the page number, mentioning page number is very, very important. Then kindly write your name using a bold pencil for classes 1, 2 and 3 and pen for class 4. Write your name, write your class, mention your section and then your roll number. All should be written very distinctly, very clearly for us to understand who you are. And if the first examination, I suppose it is English 1, and even if it is English 1 or mathematics, you must remember certain things. First, do not copy any question. Do not copy any question. But you should mention the question number properly. If the question is 1 and under 1 you have A, B, C, D, please write 1A answer, 1B answer, 1C answer, 1D answer. Do not copy any question. You must pay attention to writing the numbers properly and writing the heading of the question. If the heading says fill in the blanks, please write fill in the blanks. If the heading says answer in a word, please copy that heading. So, writing the page number, writing your name, writing your section, roll number, class, writing the question number and the heading is all very important. If your examination is English 2 or second language, please write the question number, write the meaning, the heading should be there, the word for which the meaning has been asked should be copied, and then the answer has to be written. So for second language and English 2, kindly write the question number, write the heading, copy the words and then write the meaning. Same thing for opposite or antonyms. You have to write the heading, copy the words and write the opposite. Then if the question says answer in a sentence, as I was telling you, write the question number, write answer in a sentence, but do not copy the question. Do not copy the question. Write answer in a sentence, give the question number, and write down the answer. It is very important to write the heading so that we can understand which answer you have written. Then if it is answer in a word, words, or fill in the blanks, or true and false, please make sure that you write the question number as well as the heading of the question. Otherwise, we won't know whether you have answer in a word or words, or it is a fill in the blanks or something else. So, for meaning opposite, you are going to write the heading and copy the words, and also for make sentences, kindly give the heading and copy the words. And underline the word with which you have made the sentence. I repeat, copy the question, copy the heading of every question. Please write the meaning of copy the words for which the meaning has been asked. Copy the words for which the opposite has been asked, and also the word for the make sentences. So you are going to copy the words for meaning, the words for opposite, and the words for make sentences for both English 2 and second language. But for other subjects, EV, SST, Science, English 1, please write the question number, copy the heading, and simply write the answer. Please underline the words of fill in the blanks. Make sure that your handwriting or your writing does not cross the line which you will draw on the right hand side of the page. Please make sure that your handwriting does not cross the line which is on the right hand side of the page. And if you need to use another page, kindly go to the back side of page number 1 and put page number 2 right on top of the place where you have date, and write back to back. Page 1, turn the page, write at the back of page 2. Again, if you need page 3, use a fresh page, writing your name, class, section, roll number, date, and please write page number 3 on top of the box for date. Please make sure that a margin is drawn on the right hand side of the page. It is very important. And please ensure that your writing does not cross the line on the right hand side of the page. Coming to mathematics, please write half yearly, not only for mathematics, EV, SST, Science, Computer, GK, English 1, English 2, and second language. Write half yearly. Please cancel the word class test. Write half yearly, put a tick mark, write the date, write the page number on top of the box for the date, write your name, clearly write the class, the section, the roll number, draw margin on the right hand side of the page. For mathematics, write question number 1. If it is addition, write add. Copy the sum, do the sum, write the answer. If it is subtract, copy the sum, and after you finish, write the answer. For HCF, money conversion, please copy the sums. For writing in figures, if you have writing in figures, please write 1000, 100, 10 once. Please make that column and write accordingly. For problem sums, word problems, for classes 3 and 4, if you have word problems, please do not copy that word problem question. Straight away, go on doing the sum. For type sums, money conversion, HCF, kindly copy the sums. For word problems, give the question number and start doing the sum, writing the statement and the workout. For mathematics paper, children, you are requested to draw a rough column if you need one. You can draw the rough column on the right hand side of the page making sure your rough work does not cross the margin or that you have drawn on the right hand side. Again, for mathematics, if you need another page, turn page number 1, go to the back side of page number 1, make it page number 2 and do your sums. Again, if you need a page, use a fresh page, write page number 3 and page number 4 at the back of page number 3. So every page should be marked, the page number should be written, name, class, section, roll number should be written properly. The question numbers should be written and kindly copy the question numbers correctly. Revise, check, recheck as many times as you want and do not keep attention in your mind, how will I finish? Of course, you will get ample time to finish your work and also to revise. Please do revise. It is a request to all our dear students. Revise your work. See whether you have written the answers properly. Revise and see whether you have written the question numbers properly. And the A, B, C, D or Roman 1, A, B, C, D under 1, 2, 3, 4. All the question numbers should be written properly. Since you are not copying the question and since we will not be able to get your papers offline, so it is very important that you all write the question numbers properly and click the photos very nicely as instructed by our respected HM ma'am. Then upload as you know where to upload in the cam scanner. But my duty was to inform you how to attempt your question paper. Make sure that you use the school notepad. This is very, very important. And no tension, no worries, very nicely, coolly, and with full attention, take your exams and best of luck to all our lovely kids from the headmistress's desk and all your other teachers. Best of luck, children. Thank you. Follow the rules and hope and we are of course very much sure that you will come out with flying colors. Thank you, children.